Did you know that some store-bought hummingbird food options can actually be more harmful than helpful to them? It's true. This decades-old recipe is probably the easiest and healthiest option for your hummingbirds. We're going to take 1 cup of granulated sugar, just granulated sugar, not honey, not stevia, not organic sugar, just regular granulated sugar. 1 cup to 4 cups of hot water. You don't have to boil it, it just needs to be hot enough to dissolve your sugar. I like to do mine in a quart mason jar. Give it a good shake. You can see there's still a little bit of the sugar particles. Just let it set a while, and then here we go. Absolutely beautiful, completely dissolved, and ready to fill our feeders. Inviting hummingbirds into your outdoor space is not only beneficial to them, but look at how beautiful. It is such a tranquil experience watching your little hummingbird friends enjoy the food that you made for them. I hope you have an amazing hummingbird season and come back and visit me again.